if you're experiencing performance issues in Minecraft, lowering the graphics settings can help improve gameplay. Follow these steps to adjust your settings quickly. Step 1. Open Minecraft. Launch the Minecraft game on your device. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding. Step 2. Access Options. From the main menu, click on the Options button. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can adjust various game settings. Step 3. Select Video Settings. In the Options menu, find and click on Video Settings. This section contains all the graphics-related settings you can modify. Step 4. Adjust Graphics Settings. Look for the Graphics option and change it from Fancy to Fast. You can also lower other settings like Render Distance and Smooth Lighting to further enhance performance. Step 5. Save Changes. After making your adjustments, click Done to save your changes. Then, return to the main menu and start or continue your game with the new settings. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.